All right, my name is Francisco Gonzalez, and I'm about to be presenting the relationship driven professional selling sales project. So, I want to present my customer partnership roadmap, and these are just some of the ideas that I want to incorporate into how to develop a good customer partnership, whether it's for a business or whether you want to start just making good progress with somebody else other than just oneself. Um, so, as we start, some of the higher level goals, the overall goal is to bring in new business partners. Now, when you do this, you want to know a few things, whether like how many people you want to bring in, whether a partner is even a good idea, and what sources you are going to use to recruit. So, with this, um, you want to know the kind of people that you bring into your work atmosphere. You want to know what works best for your business, whether it's a larger scale company or a smaller based one. You want to know if this is something that is economically efficient for the company that you are in and the work that you are doing. And you, of course, want to make sure that you maximize profit off of this. So, bringing in multiple employees to something. Employees are expensive, so you always want to consider the cost of doing something like that. And of course, is it a partner that you need, or is it just a better business strategy? So, uh, you would want to analyze all of this before you start bringing in new kinds of people into a partnership. Um, Now, this you need to know yourself as well. Do you work well with other people? If not, what can you do to get to this point? And I'm going to be talking a little bit about what steps you can take to be a better business partner as well, and what may actually work well in starting a business. Um, so now you want to see where you're going to find a business partner, and do these people fit right for your company? Uh, the key to success in having business partners is that you have a multitude of skills at your disposal. You need people in your company that have a wide range of skill sets and that will add value rather than hinder the progress of the company. Um, so uh, let's see. So now I want to focus a little bit on management skills, um, and this can include just some things that you really need to focus on when you actually are um, building relationships with a business partner. So, increased people means increased management. Uh, you need to know what way you need to navigate your company in order for everything to go smoothly. You need to prioritize certain tasks and things, um, as well as make sure that you are managing people appropriately, whether that's your role or being managed appropriately, whether you are working under someone. Um, Now, in general, you are going to have to learn how to work with people if you do want to bring on a business partner or multiple business partners. Um, you need to learn certain habits and skills of other people, uh, in what way that they work best, or you need to recognize the certain skills of a leader in uh, in this partnership as well. So it's easy to learn these things so that you don't butt heads against one another, because it is easy to miscommunicate, um, not get along, or for just things to not go as planned. So these things are ultimately inevitable, but when you find a better way to, when you acknowledge certain problems like this and get ahead of the problem, it will be easier to manage once you actually get there. So with this, it's important to also get experience with different kinds of people. You want this kind of experience, so that you can avoid certain situations. And of course, you don't want to disrespect anybody who you are working with or working for, and you want to be respectful of the different practices that they may use, as well as different cultures. Maybe different places use different things, whether you're in a different state, different area, or maybe in a different country. It's always important to be aware of such things.